Are you looking for some ideas to make a balanced bowl? Today I want to share with you easy and delicious plant-based recipes. I am using a lot of nutritious Japanese vegetables, so please check it out. First, I'm going to make stir-fry dish with bell pepper and thick fried tofu. Thick fried tofu is savory and juicy. I like the texture. For the seasoning, I use oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. Next, I will use Hijiki. Hijiki is a very popular Japanese seaweed. It contains a lot of dietary fiber and very nutritious food. You can use it for salad or simmered dish. Before using cooking, you need to soak it in water. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes. While waiting for the hijiki, let's prepare other ingredients. Cut the carrot and slice the shiitake mushroom. After 20 minutes, drain the water and wash the hijiki. It's rehydrated like this, so it's ready to cook. Stir-fry hijiki with sesame oil. Add the carrot and shiitake mushroom. I have thin-fried tofu in my freezer, so I add it too. Then season it with sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. This time I add Kombu tea powder instead of dashi powder. You can simmer this with dashi soup stock, but I don't use this time because I want to cook quickly. Please add boiled beans as you like. After cutting tomato, it's done. Let's dish up. This is boiled carrot I made on the other day. First, I'm going to make quick salad with tomato and kombu. Dice the tomato and mix it with salted kombu and sesame oil. Rest in the fridge for a while. Next, I will make a boiled vegetable salad with burdock and carrot. Burdock also contains a lot of dietary fiber. I like the stir-fried burdock, which has a sweet soy sauce flavor called kimpira, but burdock salad is also great. When you boil burdock, it's better to add vinegar and sugar in water, so that the taste will be soaked in well when seasoning later. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain the hot water and let's boil the fried tofu too. You can use other protein for this salad, by the way. Pat dry the vegetable and tofu with paper towel. Then season it with vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, green sesame, and aonori. I love the flavor of aonori. It's totally different from nori seaweed. So if you have a chance, please try some aonori in your cooking. Next, let's make grilled broccoli and mushroom. Cut the broccoli and slice the mushroom. Then season it with garlic powder, salt and pepper. Pour a little soy sauce. And it's done. Lastly, I make roasted kabocha squash. Let's dish up. To make tofu steak, I'm gonna drain the water from tofu. Cover the tofu with paper towel and put some weight on the tofu. While waiting for the tofu, I will make miso sauce for the steak. Mince the green onion. Then stir fry with oil. Cook on low heat until it gets really soft. Add miso paste, sake, and sugar. Cook until it gets a little thick. Next, I'll make a really quick kabocha salad. Cut it into small pieces. Microwave it at 500 watts for 3 minutes. Mash it using a fork. Sprinkle salt and pepper as you like. If you put honey instead of salt and pepper, it will become good dessert. Next, I want to make a very easy stir-fry dish with komatsuna. It's Japanese mustard spinach. To make it colorful, I will add the pickled radish. It's a strange combination at first glance, but it's actually great. The saltiness of the pickles matches so well with this vegetable. Add a little sugar and soy sauce. And it's done. Finally, I can bake the tofu. The drained tofu is ready. So slice it like this. Bake it with a little oil. All you need is to eat it with the miso sauce. Let's dish up.